Welcome to HEORO.com, a powerful tool for literature searching. In this video, we will use HEORO to bring up a list of studies that report cost and resource use data for rheumatoid arthritis in Canada. To begin, visit HEORO.com and launch the dashboard. From here we can build up our Boolean search. In the disease box, begin typing rheumatoid arthritis and select appropriately. If you wanted to specify a specific body location of arthritis, you can do this here. Next, we begin typing Canada in the location field and select appropriately. We now want to select cost and resource use studies in study type. Furthermore, we need to select the type of cost and resource use data we want. In this case, we want direct costs, indirect costs, and resource use. You can add the additional options using the green plus icon. You will notice that you are also given the Boolean operators and, or, not. In this case we select or. Now the search has been built, we select I'm not a robot and begin the search. This will bring up a list of relevant studies. You can then select the ones you are interested in by clicking the box to the left of the title. Then export them in a Reference Manager suitable file. You can also print or save the results. HEORO is free to use. Visit www.heoro.com.